In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns on Wix. This is a great way to customize your website layout to suit your content needs and make it look more professional. Whether you're showcasing products, creating service sections, or simply organizing information neatly, adding columns can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your site. So let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, to begin adding columns on your Wix site, we need to start by adding a strip. A strip is a versatile tool in Wix that allows you to create sections containing content, and it's also the foundation for adding columns. So, let's head over to the left side of your Wix editor screen, where you'll see a panel with various options. You'll want to click on Add Elements. This will bring up a menu with different elements you can add to your site. From this menu, select Strip. You'll then see a variety of strip designs that you can choose from. Simply drag and drop the strip that suits your style onto your page. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect right now, as you'll be able to adjust and refine it later. Once your strip is on the page, click on it, and you'll notice some options appear. Among these options, you'll want to focus on Layout. Click on Layout and a window will pop up. This window is where you can align the content within your strip to the left, center, or right. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure your content lines up just the way you want it to. Now, this next step is where we add the columns. On your strip, you should now see 2 columns by default. These columns give your strip a clean and structured look. But what if you need more than 2 columns to display your content effectively? It's easy to add more. Click on one of the existing columns and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Columns. Here you'll see the option to Add Column. Click on it, and just like that, you have an additional column added to your strip. You can repeat this process to add as many columns as necessary for your specific needs, allowing you to completely customize the layout to your liking. And there you have it. You've successfully added columns to your Wix site. Experiment with different layouts and tools to see what works best for your site's design and content. This method not only enhances the visual appeal of your website, but also organizes the information more effectively for your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy designing!